I love marriage. Marriage, yeah, is awesome. It's so beneficial. So many benefits for a guy when you get married. Like when you get married, you're a guy, you get a little helper in the car. I love my little helper in the car. She knows everything about driving. It's very convenient for me. But sometimes I get confused. See, I don't know how I get anywhere without my helper in the car. I'd probably be bouncing off trees and buildings and stuff, but she's there to help. Like, she tells me when the light changes colors and everything. It's very convenient and helpful. Like, it's green. Thank you, helper. Because I was confused. I didn't know. Thanks, Captain Prism. She's very helpful in the car for me. I always know how fast I'm going with my helper in the car. She lets me know. You know how fast you're going? Yeah, I got a speedometer right here, but thanks for the backup. That thing ever snaps in half, I got you to back me up. When you see old guys driving 35 on the freeway, it's not because they want to, they've been trained to, for crying out loud. Their foot has been governed by a woman. You ever see like, oh, I want to go faster, I just don't think I should. I just feel like something horrible is going to happen if I go any lower. Gonna get an ice pick in my ear hole or something bad's gonna happen, Lloyd. She's very helpful in the car. That's right. She gives me statistics when we're in the car. That's right. You know that men have the most accidents? Gee, I wonder why that is. Let me ponder that for a nanosecond. Bing! It's because the woman in the passenger side, because you always react to every little thing. And that's okay, just don't do the noise. What was that? That was the garage door opening, sweetheart. We haven't left yet. Can you give me a change of pants before we go? These aren't gonna work for the gala. I'm sorry, it was silver, it was moving. I thought it was a Volvo. I'm sorry. We were driving one night. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And it's just, I'm just so tired. I'm just hallucinating. My wife's just sacked out. And we hit a bump. 2 o'clock in the morning. She goes, are you okay? Then she says this, you want me to drive? Oh, what would Jesus do? I don't think so.